Good morning, engineering students. So, welcome to the mathematics class. And as always, we used to first discuss the answer, previous day answer. So, first we will discuss the previous day answer. So, now take out your notebooks fast. Just check your answers, and after that, we will start today's work. So, let's take out fast, open your copies. So now, that was your homework, right students? It is homework of which date? 9. So let me write first. Check your answers. So now, first one is 591 minus 186, right? This is the question. So now, how much you have got as answer? So now, here is 405. If you have got this as an answer, then it is correct. Is it correct, students? Okay. Now, second one. 520 minus 308. Right? 308. So, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8 is 2 here. Then it is 1 now. And this is 2. So, if you have got 212, then it is correct answer. Now, the third one. 987 minus 381. Please don't copy down the wrong digits, okay? So 7 minus 1 is 6, 8 minus 8 is 0, 9 minus 3 is 6. So we got 606 as a answer, okay? So I hope that you have done correctly. Now after that, 9 minus 4 is 5, then 8 minus 8 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got 205 as an answer. So please check your answers, then we will proceed further. Okay? All of you have done correct? Very good. So you don't have to actually check it, so no need to put the correct sign that I am doing. No need to do it. Only this much you have to do. Okay? So now let's proceed with the class. So now today we are going to study how to subtract bigger number, right? So before going to that, every day what we have to do? We have to revise tables, right? So now today table of 8 and 9. So let's start revising the table, students. So, how to read it? Eight ones is 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 18. Now repeat once again. 8 ones is 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So do it fast. Repeat once again by your own. Now table of 9. Nine one is 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Right? Once again. 9 1 is 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 19. So now we have done the table of 8 and 9. So now let's start the subtraction of bigger number, right? So first understand the bigger number. Why we are calling it bigger number? Because there are ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Right now, before today's class, you were doing up to 100 place. It is bigger because now we have 1000 also, right? So now, what we have to do? We will subtract ones place first, then we will subtract the tens place, and then we will subtract the 100 place, and then we will proceed to the 1000 place. So first we will do ones place, then tens place, then 100, then 1000, right? So always we have to start from ones place. So don't get confused, right? So let's start. Let me erase this first. Okay, now let's start the work. Okay, so now the question is 2 minus 3. Is it possible? No, right? It's not possible. So what we have to do? We have to ask 6. Please give me one number. Ones place is saying, please give me one number. So now 6 is saying, okay, fine. So now 6 becomes 5 and it becomes 12. Now the 2 becomes a bigger number and a strong number. So now 12 minus 3 is, yes students, tell me, this is 9. Now next is 5 minus 2. If we subtract 2 from 5, we will get 3, right? Then 4 minus 3. So we have to subtract 3 from 4. So now what we will be getting? 1. Now subtract 1 from 2. We will get 1. So now what we have got the answer? Do we read it 1139? No. 1139. How we will read it? 1139. 39. Okay, understood? So first we have subtracted ones place, then tens place, then 100, then 1000. That is why it's a bigger number, right? So after that, now let's do few examples. Okay, I'm just explaining here, no need to write in your notebooks, right? So now let's take example. For example, there is a number. We will be doing two questions as example. For example, there is a number 8363 minus or subtract 4021. This is a first question. And second, I am taking 9820 minus 3748. For example, this is a number, right? So now what to do? We have to subtract it. So first, how we will write it? First we will write ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000. But you don't have to write down in your notebook, beta. No need to write it. Okay. So first we will write here 8000. 3 is 100 place, 6 is tens place, and 300. Or else no need to do like this. I'm telling you how to copy down. Okay. Always start copying down from the ones place so that it will be easy for you. So at the ones place, what is the number? 3. So start from 3. Then tens place 6. Then 100 place 3. And 8 is 1000 place. If you are noting down correctly, you can start from 1000. But if you have any doubt, so start from ones place. Now we will subtract 4021. We can directly write here, but it's better to start with ones place. So 1 here, then 2, then 0, then 4. Okay. Okay. So now let's start. 3 minus 1 is, what is 3 minus 1? 2. 6 minus 2? 4. 3 minus 0? If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. 8 minus 4 is 4, right? So the answer will be 4342. Now note down the second one. Now for example, I am changing this digit, okay? So that what I wanted to tell you, let me do that, okay? Why I am telling you to start with the ones place. Now see here, this number is 9820. So this is at the ones place, 0, then 2, 8 and 9. Now there are how many digits? 3. So this is what? Ones, tens and 100. So 4 will be at the ones place, 7 will be at the tens place, and 3 will be at 100 place. Okay. Now let's subtract. We need borrow here because it is 4. So let's take one borrow. So 10 minus 4 is 6, right? Now again we have to take borrow. This will be 7 and this will be 11. So 11 minus 7 is, right, 4. And now 7 minus 3 is 4. And here we have 9 minus 0 is 9. So we got 9446. Have you understood why I was telling you this? Okay. So this is the way to do. Now all of you take out your books. Today we have to do the book work. So all of you take out your book exercise 3.2, right? Now I'm telling you the page number. The page number is 49. All of you take out page number 49. Now let's do this question. Take out page number 49 and in the page note down the date. Okay, as I always used to tell you, note down today's date. Today is, I'm writing here date. You can write anywhere. Today is 10/7/2020. Note down the date and then we will start the work. Take out your pencils. So let's start the work. Now the first question is 2216 minus 203. So this is the question. So always we will start from the ones place, as I have told you. This is ones, this is tens, then 100, then 1000. So always start from the ones place. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. You got the answer? The answer is 2013. Note it down, students. Next question is 5678 minus 1310. Right? So 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay? 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay? Take out and do it right now. It's your classwork. Let me write the page number so that you don't get confused here. It's page number 49. It's page number 49. Okay. Now, done this. First we will complete the first row, then we will come to next row. Then fifth question, as number is fifth. So 9657 minus 4248, right? So first we have to take borrow. So this will be 17 now. 17 minus 8 is 9. So now 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. And then 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. Now moving towards the next question. 5985 minus 2573. Right. So now 5895 minus 2573. So let's subtract the ones place first. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Now let's start doing question 2, 4, 6, 8 by your own. All of you try to do it, then I will discuss the answer. Try to do it. All of you try to do it, then we will discuss the answer, we will check the answer. Are you doing, students? Done? So let's discuss the answer. Okay. So now second is 6,978 minus 1,756. So what we have got? We have got the answer. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. Now let's proceed. 5 minus 0 is 5. How to read the question? 8,235 minus 4,020, right? So now we have done this. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. Check your answer, students. Have you done correct or not? Then we will proceed to the next one. Next is 7,854 minus 4,660. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 6 not possible. We have to take borrowed. So it becomes 7 and it becomes 15. So 15 minus 6 is, yes, 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. Now the last one. 4,894 minus 2,432. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. Now all of you do it and check it that you have done correctly or not. And now your today's homework, I am going to tell you. Today you have to do the checkpoint as a homework. Now I am changing the slide. Your today's homework is page number 45. I'm mentioning the page. It's page number 45, checkpoint. So write down the date, that is 10/7/2020. It's your homework, so do it. Okay, this is your homework. Write down in your book. Have you written down that this is your homework? Okay. So now that's all for today. Thank you, student. That's all for today. And now next we will meet tomorrow, and then we will be doing the notebook work. We will be doing this exercise 3.2 question number B tomorrow. That is find the difference. Until then, complete your checkpoint and we will discuss the answer in the next class. Thank you, students. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye-bye.